Hey guys, welcome back. I have just poured up a glass of my Sauvin Pilsner in the Forgotten 43 brewing glass. Perfect for a Pilsner. So there it is there. So hopefully you can see that colour, nice golden straw colour. So the same malt bill as I used on the last two New Zealand Pilsners I've done, the Motueka and the Whirfloc. So no surprises that it's come out a very similar colour. Fairly clear. I think you can see the logo from the other side of the glass. It's got a nice, holding onto a nice white cap. And there's a few bubbles streaming up. So yeah, very happy with the appearance. So just quickly run over the malt bill. So yeah, like I said, the same as the other two New Zealand Pilsners. So 92.5% Gladfields Pilsner malt, 5% Carahell and 2.5% acid malt. And then I used my Nelson. I put 20 grams in at 14 minutes to get my bitterness, etc. So it came out around 31 IBUs. And then I used the rest, the 80 grams, as a 15-minute 80-degree hop stand. Fermented once again with the Novalager at 15 degrees, and it's come out at 5.1%. It's been in the keg for about 3 weeks now. Apologies for the delay in getting a video up. So I hope your week's going well. We'll get a nose on it. So straight away I'm getting some really nice hits of gooseberry and passion fruit, and that sort of white wine that you get from Nelson. So it smells really inviting. And a nice sort of crackery malt aroma too from the Pilsner. Maybe a touch of sweetness from the Carahell. So I'm not going to hesitate. We'll dive in, guys. Another mouthful, would be rude not to. Yeah, so all that, everything I just mentioned about the aromas coming through on the flavour. Getting more passion fruit in the flavour than on the nose. Getting more of that grapey gooseberry as well coming through, quite juicy. Quite a juicy sort of flavour. Yeah, very happy with how that Nelson's come through. I didn't do a dry hop, just been trying to keep them fairly simple, and been quite happy with the results. You probably get a little bit more of the Nelson on the nose if you did a dry hop. Yeah, that bitterness is nice. Yeah, like I say, quite a nice hit up front. Got a nice dry finish. I think it finished at 1008 again, which seems to be pretty consistent with this grain bill with the Novalager. Yeah, that combo of a nice hit of bitterness and then a dry back end is really nice. Very easy drinker at this time of year, so you guys in the Northern Hemisphere are probably starting to think about brewing up some beers for the spring and summer. So yeah, these are the sort of beers, or these types of beers, hopefully what you're looking at brewing up. Yeah, so just it ticks all the boxes as far as what you want. Yeah, it's refreshing. It's got good hop character. Nice dry back end. I don't know if I mentioned 5.1%. So yeah, good, good level of bitterness. So yeah, very happy with that. Hope your week's going well as well. Nothing else to report at this end. Weather's been really good. We had an incredibly wet year last year, and summer got off to a bit of a rocky start, but yeah, February's been really good so far. The last 3 weeks the weather's been pretty spot on. So yeah, happy days. Thanks for watching. I'll put the details of the beer in the video description as per normal. Yeah, let me know if you got any questions. Otherwise, drink good beer and we will catch you in the next video. Cheers, over and out.